Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Video for you guys today. I'm out working in Tampa, Florida. I got my boy Blair with me here. We're gonna be knocking out this roof cleaning here in the driveway. But this customer here is a returning customer. Last year I did the sidewalks, driveway, and today we're here for the roof cleaning. I already got my ladder set up, ready to go. I got 200 feet of line out right now. I'm gonna be putting a 5% mix on the roof with some surfactant. Should get it back looking good. I'm gonna have Blair start wetting down the plants for me before I start. It's a little cool out here today in Florida, so even though it's cool out here, we're still gonna wet down the plants so we don't kill anything. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump on the roof. So the roof is treated, everything's looking good. I got Blair putting a pre-treatment on this concrete. Hey, be careful when you spray it, not to hit the grass. Yeah. Because you don't want to burn the grass, all right? There you go. Everything came out good, man. We're just gonna let that sit. We don't rinse the roofs, you know what I'm saying? We just apply the mix, let it kill the algae, and do its thing. But yeah, man. That's my man right there, man. We play ball together, man. We play football together. He a dog on that field just like me. Yes, sir. He's getting started on his own business too. About two, 3 weeks ago, he started his own business. So I got him out here with me just to get some experience with these mixes and processes. great job right now, knocking out this driveway. You got something behind you.
Yeah.
Just push it this way.
I'm gonna blow it that way.
Yeah.